Good afternoon, everyone. My name is John Paul Duran, and today we will talk about percentile group data. So our problem is to calculate 20, 60, 80 percentile of the score of 50 learners in math in 40 item test. So you can see we have the frequency table, we have class interval, we have frequency, we have LB and CF. Sa LB and CF is walang binigay. So we need to fill up this first to get 20, 60, and 80th percentile. So paano ba natin makalculate ang LB? So as you can see sa class interval, ang lower number natin is 36, 31, 26, 21, 16, and 11. So, to get LB or lower boundary, we need to minus 0.5 sa lower number natin sa class interval. So, for example, 36 minus 0.5 is 35.5. Tapos, sa 31 naman natin, minus ng 0.5. So, 30.5. 25.5. 20.5. 15.5. And sa 11, mag-minus tayo ng 0.5 para maging 10.5. So, na fill up na natin ang lower boundaries. So, ang kailangan na naman nating kunin is ang cumulative frequency. Paano ba natin kunin ang cumulative frequency? So, first is, i-total muna natin yung frequency. I-plus natin ang lahat ng number dito. So, n is to 50. N represent the frequency. So, 50 na siya. Ilagay natin ang 50 dito sa first cumulative. Para makuha natin ng sunod-sunod, we need to minus the 50 sa 3. So, 50 minus 3 is equal to 47. And 47 minus 9 is equal to 38. And 38 minus 8 is to 23. And 23 minus 12 is 15. And 15 minus 3 is 3. So, as you can see, same yung last number ng cumulative frequency sa frequency. So, dapat pag i-calculate natin ang last number ng frequency at ng cumulative frequency ay dapat maging 0. So, 3 minus 3 is equal to 0. So, pwede na natin makuha ang 20, 60, and 80th percentile. Go na. So, ang interval natin is 5. Bakit naging 5 ang ating interval? Because of 40, 35, 30, 25, 20, 15. So, 5 ang pagitan nila. So, 5 ang ating class interval.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am Raisin Balingata. So, ato ang gipangita diri nga problem is percentile 60. Ang nagigamit ato nga formula is Kn over 100 equals 60 times 50 divided by 100. So, 60 times 50 is 3,000 over 100. At gikapin na itong formula, which is Kn over 100. So, 3,000 divided by 100 is 30. So, pangitaon na to ang value of variable sa table of frequency. So, ang atong LB diri is 25.5, which is below siya sa 28 to 30. Ang ato ang CFB is 23 before ang frequency 60. So, ang frequency 60 na to is 15, which is below lang gihapon siya sa 28 to 30. So, ato ang gigamit nga formula is PK equals LB plus KN over 100 minus CF divided by FPK times I. So, sunod is i-substitute nato siya. So, ato ang PK diri is ang P60, which is ang ipangita kaganiha. So, equals LB, which is ang 25.5. Ang KN over 100 is 30. So, mo ni siya nga to ang dissolve dito kaganiha. Minus CF, which is 23. Divided by 15, which is FPK. Times 5. Mo na I na to is 5. So, ang P60 is equals to 25.5 plus 30 minus 23 is 7 over 15 times 5. So, P60 equals 25.5 plus 7 divided by 15 is 0.47 times 5. So, ang P60 equals 25.5 plus 2.35. Ang kaning 2.35 is git times lang nato ni siya diri. So ang ato ang answer diri is 27.85 or 28. Giunsa nato siya pag solve, which is git plus lang nato ni 25.5 plus 2.35. So the final answer is 27.85 or 28.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Jasmine Z. Alfar now. How about P80? So, Pn over 100 is equal to 80 times 50 is over 100. So, 80 times 50 is 4,000. Now, 4,000 divided by 100 is 40. Copy gyapon nato ang atong formula, which is Kn over 100. So, atong Kn over 100 is 40. O pangitaon nato ang value of variables sa atong frequency table. So, ato ang lower boundary is 30.5. 30.5. O ato ang class frequency is 38. 38. Ang ato ang frequency is 9. So, mo na ito ang formula. So, PK is equal to LB plus Kn over 100 minus CF divided by FPK times I. So, substitute na to sila. So, ang PK mahimog P80. So, P80 is equal to 30.15, which is LB. So, ang Kn na to mahimog 40. Tapos, ang CF na to is mahimog 38. Divided by 100, which is ang FPK na to. So, P80 is equal to 30.5 plus 40 minus 38, which is 2, divided by 100 is 9. So, copy ang 5. So, 2 divided by 9 is 0.22. 0.22 times 5 is 1.1. So, 30.5 plus 1.1 is 31.6 or 32.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Maria Amor Macachor. So, how about percentile 20? So, gamito na to ang formula na Kn over 100. So, 20 times 50 is divided by 100. So, ang answer sa 20 times 50 is 1,000. And i-divide na to siya sa 100 is equal to 10. Cut naman yun. So, pangitaon na to ang value of variables sa frequency table. So, ngano na 15 siya? Kaya ang 10, na fold down siya between 15 and 3. And ang CFB is 3, kay na-fold down siya before, and the FP20 is 12, kay na-belong siya sa 16 to 20.
Good afternoon everyone, I'm Hassan Giancarlo and tugwa sa mga variables PK, there is a formula PK equals LB plus KN over 100 minus CF divided by PK times I.
percentile 20 equals 15.5 plus 10 minus 3 divided by 15 times 5. 20 is equals to 15.5 plus 10 minus 3 is equals 0.58 times 5. So, i-times na to ni siya ikalima, ang magawas kay 2.9. So, substitute na to ni siya, P20 is equals to 15.5 plus 2.9 is equal to P20 equals to 18.4 or 18. Therefore, ang P20 na to kay 18.4 or 18.